Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Anupam Chakraborty. Today I will be talking about how to set up Outclip means on your Google Chrome. So, basically, what Outclip does is it actually records your screen, whatever is there on your screen, as well as also um, start up your camera. Means basically, when you are recording your screen, at the same time, it will um, be recording your face, whatever it is, and at the same time the screen recorder as well as the camera will work simultaneously, and it's very important for many of us. Like, means I have been looking for such a software because due to my recent project which has been given to us. Means basically we have to prepare a ppt and we have to basically speak about it. So the usual setup would have been like setting up a camera and then facing to the camera, then recording the entire whatever it is, be it the presentation along with the computer screen. So the best way you can do is that just download Outclip, and it's just an simple extension. So I will be showing you how to set up. So simply you search for Outclip. Sorry. Okay. So sometimes my Chrome doesn't work, so that's okay. So this will be the search result, and just click on this link outclip.com, and it will direct you to a page where um, okay. So basically, if you will be searching for outclip.com or visiting outclip.com for the first time, it this screen may not appear on your screen since I have already added the extension. So basically what will happen is that in this rightmost corner you will be having add to Chrome or add extension to Chrome sort of an option. Okay, so you will just click on it, and it will just redirect to you to a page, this sort of extension page. Okay, so this will be the page, and then over here add to Chrome. This here it will be there will be an option for add to Chrome. You will simply click on it, and it will start its downloading, and it's subsequently it will be added to your Chrome. Over here you can see beside my this profile picture over here, this REC screen recorder. So um, after it has been added to your Chrome, so it will just ask you, or it will just request you to um, sign in. You can either create an account on Outclip, or you can just sign in through your Google account. So I have done the same thing. I have just signed in with my Google account, and after doing so, this screen will basically pop up, where you can actually means um, this is the area where you will be having few options like I'm just log out from your current account, or there will be resources. Let's see what it has. What does it have? um, um, these basically few of the interesting things which you will encounter. Knowledge base, as the name suggests. Okay, this looks interesting. And okay, over here, I think pricing, there will be some sort of, there is few options like um, buy Outclip for desktop, something like that, because uh, for the normal pack, it will just give you a max of 10 minutes of recording, not more than that, of course. So this is all it about. But I think 10 minutes will be max for um, something sorry, something presentation sort of thing, or anything you want to do, either make a tutorial video or whatever it is. I guess it won't take more than 10 minutes or so. So again, you can just if you want to check for the extension, like where it has been, or what are the uh, accessibility, or what are the permissions you have to grant to this particular Outclip extension, you will just go to the settings over here. Just go to the settings of the Chrome, and then um, click on the extensions option, and then you will be directed to a page where it will just show you what are the extensions you already have. And so here you can see I have quite a few extensions which are already embedded in my Google Chrome. So here I have the Outclip, so you can just click on the details and you can just check uh, the description over here, the version, the size, and few of the permissions, site access, is what are the sites you have, means it can access to, and various sort of thing, as you can see on the screen. So it's quite simple. So, and but this is quite an effective tool. Like in my case, it's quite effective, and I will suggest my teammates with whom I will be working on my upcoming project to install this software as well. And not only my teammates, but also to all the people who will be needing this. So this is the best, means not the best. So we cannot define best like this. So, but still, so I found this quite simple and quite useful. So this was all about the Outclip setup tutorial. It's quite simple. Um, nothing complicated at all. So yeah, that was all about the Outclip setup video. I hope you loved this video. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.